BORMSI Scar Cream. Silicone Advanced Scar Treatment Gel repairing new old scar from surgical scars or stretch marks or scars from getting burned. Um, I've got plenty of scars we can try it on. I used to be overweight and I got burned by my friend in the kitchen a couple years ago. So basically what this has in it, it's a silicone scar cream, and it also has glycerin, calcium sodium phosphate, and hyaluronic acid, and those are all made to help reduce the sign of a scar. So I've used something similar to this, but I'm excited to use this because the other thing I had before was like a patch. So I'm excited. So I have this scar on my arm that's from when somebody burned me on accident, not purpose. All right, let me get this. Stuff starts to come out. Is there something I need to do? Let's see. Oh, there we go. All right. So here it is. That's the application, and I'm just applying it to the burn. And so if you apply this diligently, I've tried this with some other things, but not this one specifically. I'm excited to see how this works, but it's got good reviews. And the ingredients that they use, I know, are helpful for reducing the sign of scars. The only key with these things is you just have to do it consistently. If you do it consistently, especially if you have scars that have been there a while, if you do it consistently for 3 months, 6 months, a year, you see massive benefit. I would say if you've got some scars that you want to not have, this is good stuff. Get it.